Hello, and welcome to our lesson on Agile approaches to resource and time management. This segment will continue to cover Agile time management. Time boxing and sprint planning practices facilitate effective time management and ensure the delivery of valuable increments within defined timeframes. These techniques allow Agile teams to prioritize tasks, set achievable goals, and maintain a sustainable pace of work throughout the project lifecycle. Time boxing. Time boxing is a technique used in Agile to allocate fixed periods, or boxes, to specific activities or tasks. These time periods are typically short, ranging from a few hours to a few weeks, and are defined upfront. Time boxing ensures that work is completed within a set time frame, regardless of the level of effort required. It encourages teams to focus on delivering the most valuable features within the allocated time, promoting efficiency and productivity. Common examples of time boxing in Agile include daily stand-up meetings, which are time-boxed to 15 minutes, and sprint planning sessions, which are time-boxed to a few hours. Sprint planning. Sprint planning is a collaborative event held at the beginning of each sprint, where the Agile team plans the work to be completed during the upcoming iteration. During sprint planning, the team selects a set of user stories or tasks from the product backlog and commits to delivering them by the end of the sprint. The team also breaks down the selected work into smaller, actionable tasks and estimates the effort required to complete each task. Sprint planning involves time boxing the planning session itself, typically 1 to 4 hours, depending on the length of the sprint. This ensures that the team focuses on prioritizing work and making decisions efficiently. Key benefits of time boxing and sprint planning in Agile time management. Prioritization of work. Time boxing and sprint planning help Agile teams prioritize work based on its value and urgency. By setting fixed timeframes for completing tasks or iterations, teams must make trade-offs and focus on delivering the most valuable features first. Clear goals and objectives. Time boxing and sprint planning provide clear goals and objectives for the Agile team to work towards within each time-boxed period. This helps teams stay focused and aligned with project objectives, reducing ambiguity and improving productivity. Incremental delivery of value. By time-boxing iterations and planning work in sprints, Agile teams can deliver value incrementally and frequently throughout the project lifecycle. This allows stakeholders to see tangible progress and provide feedback early, leading to better outcomes and higher customer satisfaction. Adaptation to change. Time boxing and sprint planning enable Agile teams to quickly adapt to changing requirements and priorities. Since work is planned in short, time-boxed iterations, teams can adjust their plans and priorities at the end of each iteration based on feedback and new information. Sustainable pace of work. Time boxing and sprint planning promote a sustainable pace of work by defining clear boundaries for the amount of work to be completed within each time-boxed period. This helps prevent burnout and ensures that teams can maintain a consistent level of productivity over the long term. Sprint review and retrospective meetings are essential Agile time management techniques for improving team performance, enhancing productivity, and driving continuous improvement throughout the project lifecycle. These meetings provide valuable opportunities for reflection, feedback, and adaptation, enabling Agile teams to optimize their time management practices and effectively deliver value to stakeholders. Sprint review meeting. The sprint review meeting is held at the end of each sprint or iteration. It allows the Agile team to demonstrate the work completed during the sprint to stakeholders, gather feedback, and review progress toward project goals. During the sprint review, the team presents the completed user stories or tasks to stakeholders, showcasing the functionality developed and seeking validation that the work meets the agreed-upon acceptance criteria. Stakeholders provide feedback on the delivered features, share insights, and discuss any changes or adjustments needed to meet evolving requirements or priorities. The sprint review meeting helps ensure transparency and accountability, allowing stakeholders to see tangible progress and provide input early in the development process. Retrospective meeting. The retrospective meeting, also known as the retro, is held at the end of each sprint or iteration and focuses on reflecting on the team's performance, identifying areas for improvement, and planning actions to address them. During the retrospective, the team reflects on what went well during the sprint, what could be improved, and any obstacles or challenges encountered. The team collaborates to identify specific actions or initiatives to address the identified areas for improvement, setting concrete goals and priorities for the upcoming sprint. The retrospective meeting fosters a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging the team to learn from past experiences, adapt their processes, and enhance their time management practices to optimize performance. Key benefits of sprint review and retrospective meetings. Enhanced transparency and communication. Sprint review meetings give stakeholders visibility into project progress and enable open communication between the Agile team and stakeholders. Continuous learning and improvement. Retrospective meetings promote a culture of continuous learning and improvement, allowing the team to reflect on their performance and identify opportunities for enhancement. Increased stakeholder satisfaction. Sprint review meetings allow stakeholders to provide feedback early and often, ensuring that the delivered features meet their needs and expectations. Optimized time management. Sprint review and retrospective meetings provide valuable insights and feedback that enable Agile teams to optimize their time management practices, identify inefficiencies, and make adjustments to improve productivity and efficiency. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss Agile time management techniques. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.